Northside Window and Gutter Cleaning, we're serious about great customer service.
They do a great job. They promptly return calls.
Their communication, their timeliness, promptness, friendliness, and the work they did was just perfect.
They came, they showed up on time, they did great work, very courteous.
We have 2 gutter cleaning options. With our standard cleaning, we clean and bag all debris from your gutter troughs. We'll also snake your clogged downspouts as needed. With our premium service, we'll include a complete water flush of your gutter system to ensure proper drainage. Our customers love our attention to cleanup. We collect and bag all debris as we go, leaving your yard and landscaping as clean as we found it.
They clean up after themselves, and that's a big deal to me because I've had other companies that don't do that, and that leaves me with a mess, and Northside Window and Gutter Cleaning takes really good care of that.
Contact us today and we'll give you a free, no-obligation quote. Ask about our discounted, worry-free maintenance plans and let our friendly team keep your home clean.
Our technicians are extremely professional. They are insured, trained, and uniformed.
At Northside Window and Gutter Cleaning, we're always striving to be your #1 choice for residential and commercial window and gutter cleaning service.
They're very pleasant to do business with. They're very conscientious, thoughtful. They clean up afterwards, and the gutters don't jam up after they leave. That's the good news.